Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 93 litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with the silver finish really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you can see that you have ample amount of room, make it easy for in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps any essentials you need to take with you. Also located within the boot, you have your deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. As we take a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 13,986 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey, including with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps listen to your own music. Your deployable tow bar controls, and of course you also have your 4x4 information along with terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing with this is the electronic air suspension to raise and lower the vehicle as required. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. And of course you also have a 360 view camera, allowing you to manoeuvre and reverse into those difficult parking situations. This also features a off-road version. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 93 litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.